Okay, Jerry and his compound interest. Interest problems are not that common on the GMAT, but you do actually need to know the interest formula if you hope to get them. Remember that interest formula, A equals the principal times 1 plus R over N, that quantity times NT, where P equals the principal, R equals the rate, where you convert the percent, you put the percent as a decimal, T equals the time in years to maturity, and then N is the number of times that you compound the interest per year. So you simply plug the answers or plug the numbers in from this particular problem into that formula. It's that principal of $5,000, and we have then 1 plus 0.04 over 2, and it's only a 1-year bond, so T ends up equaling 1, so that's just the number of times compounded per year is 2. So then 0.04 divided by 2 is 0.02, 1 plus 0.02 is 1.02, so we end up just with $5,000 times 1.02 squared, 5,000 times 1.0404, and you end up with $5,202 is the new amount. And so therefore the amount of interest was just $202, choice D. The other thing is, since it's a one-year bond at a low interest rate, only compounded twice, you could have just said, well, the simple interest would have been 200. It's just going to be a little bit more than that because it's compounded, so you could eliminate the simple interest rate and figure out, well, it's just going to be the next one up from there. So if you didn't want to do that math or didn't remember exactly the interest formula for compound interest, you could just make a good guess and choose D.